The second floor of the usher, second floor of the tower. Be aware you cannot kneel on the objective. So, step players inside courtyard, you must pull them out.
Squad up. Stop beeping, man. That was me.
They say you all about peace, why you carry peace? Cause I'll be damned if they shoot me with the same bullet they shot Kennedy. Same bullet shot Martin in the balcony. Same bullet traveled to India and shot Gandhi. Same bullet shot John Lennon in New York City. Tupac out in Vegas, Biggie out in Cali. Same bullet traveled to the mountain of Bolivia, so we could pop Che Guevara. Same bullets, the city where the heavens do. Same bullets, now sing your ass to head out. West Coast in the West Indies.
Real militant comedy on the front line. Say them a shot a call and spit a couple punchline. One beat, okay lunchtime. Desert storm beat can like drum line. Now them in the street ducking one time. Jail time now you can't see your sunshine. So be careful of the tool where you carry it. Couple shots to your chest so fi carry him. And another mother have to bury him. Close castics swell up like collagen. Right now, I think you better cool boy. You run up in this, you must see fool boy. Do your homework now, little school boy. You know want try this a real road boy. Now make them just say up with the fuel boy. Get left in your own bloody pool boy. Then listen to the shell disperse. Real murder on a converse. Verse.
I keep getting bigger, no matter what. Try to stop mine, hey yo, cuz I got to get
Ranger
mine.
did.
You can't say what you want about Missy. Let me see what you say after we get busy. Yeah, keep it jizzy, the cold on the strizzy. Why is everybody always picking on me? That buck back, make them duck that. Struck back, cut that rug rack, I love that. Get back for all your perpetrators. A special shout out for your Snoop Dogg haters. What goes around?
Close they are.
They're at that bush. Oh, right here, right here.
You see we covered and we have the knee bound. One contestant, you'll be stuck in the ground.
Watch them a cool. Watch them a cool. Watch them a try test. Don't you know that we are the best? Watch them a try test. Watch them a go murderer. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Warn them already, we have to warn them again. Them a murderer. Them a murderer.